everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to create a Google form but not sure where to start? Whether it's for surveys, quizzes, job applications or event registration, I'll walk you through its steps step by step. It's super simple, so let's get started. The first step is to open Google Forms, and to do that, just go to forms.google.com or search for Google Form in your search engine. Once you click on enter, just click on the first website that appears, workspace.google.product.forms, and then sign in using your account's credentials. Once you log in with your Google account, click on a blank form to start fresh here. And the second step is to name the form. Name your form and add a short description explaining its purpose. Example, I'm just gonna write a random form. And here you can write the purpose of the form. Now the second step is to add questions. And you can do that by clicking on the plus button to add a new question. For example, like this one. Click on next. Click on this so you can add the questions, and here you can choose the question type. You can choose multiple choices. You can choose checkboxes, drop downs, short answers, paragraph, etc. Now the third step is to customize the form, and to do that, just click on the paints palette. Let's look for the paints palette. This is the one. It says the customize theme, as you can see, and go to settings and turn on email collection if needed, and enable required for must answer questions. The fourth step is to share your Google form. Now click send and choose how to share, and you can do that by copying the link. Just click on this share button right here, and once the sharing option menu appears, change the editor's view from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can access it. And once you update it and you create click on publish first. Once you publish it, click on share and click on copy responders link, and the link for your form is copied in the clipboard. Now you can also generate a code for easy mobile access by copying this link and a QR code generator, or then on a website for direct submission by clicking on the three dots menu here and click on end HTML and click on copy, and like this you have the iframe code. As for the fifth step is to check and analyze responses, and you can do that by clicking on responses tab to see the submissions and link it to Google Sheets to keep track and analyze the data. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you can create a Google form in minutes and start collecting data. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave comments below the video and we'll be happy to answer it. Tune in for more tutorials.